Welcome to our channel. Today we how to subscribe to Webflow for dynamic CMS-driven apps step by step clearly. Once the home page loads, locate the Sign Up button usually found in the top right corner. Click on the Sign Up button to initiate the registration process. You will be prompted to enter your email address. After entering your email, click on the Continue button. You will receive a verification email in your inbox. Open the email and click the verification link to confirm your email address. Return to the Webflow site and now fill in your details, such as your name and a password. Once you complete the registration form, click on Get Started. You will be guided to select a plan that fits your needs. For dynamic CMS-driven apps, choose the appropriate plan that offers CMS capabilities. After selecting a plan, click on the Choose Plan button. You will be prompted to enter your payment details. Fill in your credit card information and billing address as requested. Review your information to ensure everything is correct. Once verified, submit your payment to finalize the subscription. You will receive a confirmation message indicating that your subscription is successful. Now, log into your Webflow dashboard to start creating dynamic CMS-driven applications. Explore the tutorials and resources provided to maximize your use of the platform. Start building your first dynamic project by selecting a template or starting from scratch. Your journey in creating dynamic web applications with Webflow is now ready to begin. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.